Okay, so just wanted to make a help video in case you didn't get our connecting representations about these marbles. That was task 2, page 3. So just in case you kind of didn't catch it because it did go by super fast, I want to just talk about it. So I already have the matches together. So I just want to talk about these, okay? So first I'm going to talk about the green ones and then I'm going to talk about the white ones. So two marbles of the same color are drawn in a row without replacement. So what that means is that the first time you draw, you have all these marbles that I'm showing, these 9 marbles, and if you see, there's 3 blue ones, right? So I must be talking about blue. And so I have a 3 out of 9 chance of getting a blue on my first try. Okay. Well, then once I've taken it out, so let me just erase it. Now my bag looks like this. I don't have 9 marbles anymore. Now I only have 8 marbles. And I only have 2 of them that are blue. So if I draw 2 blues in a row but without replacement, this bottom number is representing how many marbles are in the bag. So the first time I had 9 to choose from, but the second time I only had 8 to choose from, right? And then the top number just represents how many blues were in there. I started with 3 and then I took that, and so then I only had 2 left, right? So this one matches because, well, first of all, it's only doing 2 marbles and I only have 2 fractions, right? So 2 fractions for 2 draws. And since I don't put the marble back, the number goes from 9 marbles down to 8 marbles, right? And that's the total number. So that's what happens with the total number. The blue number goes from 3 originally, but then when I take 1 away, I only have left 2. Okay. So let's talk about the other one that's about 2 marbles. Okay. So the other one that also is about 2 marbles, we have the same starting reason. They match because it's 2 fractions for 2 draws. Okay. But this time it's 2 marbles of the same color, but we are replacing. So 4/9 must be about the red because there's 4 red ones out of there. So what happens is I have 9 marbles in the bag and I pull a red. Okay. I look at it, I'm like, oh, it's red. And then I put it back into the bag. So I still have all 9 marbles in there. I still have all 4 of the red marbles in there, right? And so each time there's 4 red out of 9 total. That doesn't change because we put the marble back after the first draw. That's replacing, right? We've replaced it and put it back in there. I'm going to make a second video for the other part to make sure I don't run out of time.